So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disable chat on Zoom meetings. So for that, first of all, you guys will need to open Zoom desktop application, and then you guys will need to host a meeting by selecting this option right here. Now guys, that you have hosting your meeting, you can see this security option right here. Now just select this and you can see that there are options that are enabled automatically by default. So if you want to disable the chat option, now just select it and you can see now nobody except you can be able to use the feature of chat. Now if you select on this three dot button and select on this chat option, now you are the only one who can write in the meeting and nobody else can write except you. So guys, if you want to chat with everyone in the meeting, then you just need to select the security option again and select on the chat option again. So now guys, everybody in the meeting can chat with you in this chat option available right here. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.